All right, YouTube. We got a call for this walking box not working. Let's get this. Let me get my ladder.
Iced up, coil-titis. Iced up, coil-titis. Iced up, coil-titis. You got iced up,
coil-titis.
coil-titis.
All right. I'll go ahead and turn this way up, and we'll let some air defrosting start. I'm going to check this drain line, this condensate drain, see if it's draining. I hear a bunch of water splashing. Wait, look at this. Classic. That could be why it's icing up right there too. Oh yeah, there's the drain. Oh, I bet it's pluggered. Let's go get the gallo gun and see if we can blow that drain out. Welcome to Santa Cruz. Yeah, we have a lot of schizophrenic, homeless people. But we'll have to check this walking box out real good. There's the Gina. This one is the Junker Maximus. So much. Forgive me for laughing so hard. I can't stop laughing. Look at this. Call the reefer guy when the box is 60 degrees. And look, the fan's running in water. The fan's actually hitting the water. This is so epic. Oh, god damn. This is all iced up. Right here. Let me get my torch for some de-icing. This thing is hammered. I mean, look at this. That condensate drain was so plugged it was like cement in here. You saw it, the chunk that came out in the sink. Now I got the water coming out of here. We're getting de-ice. It's still mega iced up, but our fan's not running in water anymore. This is the Junker Maximus. Look at this. Really? Come on. What am I doing here? Seriously. Between the door hatch latch bullshit, thing's never gonna seal. They knew this thing was boogered forever. They had this tub under there. That drain line was plugged. My intuition is to quote him a new coil. Why? What's the point? This box is done. Dude. Broski. haven't even taken you guys upstairs yet. This one here is telling me melt the ice, get it back to running, and then ride it up, super big time ride up, that you're never coming back. Well, I'm seriously, what's the point? It's over. There's a big old chunk I got off right there, and then look how shitty the coil is. We knew that was going to be the case. Look how thick that ice is. That's days and days and days of frozen ice. All right, that one took forever just to get the ice off. Now we can go check the condensing unit. Let me set the thermostat. Tippins, looking good, buddy. Here's the condensing unit. The defrost timer is no good. I was just checking it out. It's toast. I might pull this out and just put one of my defrost timers in. A Paragon. I think that'll work. The card off that defrost timer. You could tell they had it just sitting out in the weather. These are not rain tight covers. So yeah, goner. I'm gonna install the Paragon. All right, see if this one works. There it is, defrost. I'm gonna go midnight and I'm gonna go noon. Let's bring it around here. Okay, let's see what time it is and we'll set the clock. And I'm gonna get it inside so it's out of the rain. So this little doghouse will be over it. Okay, what's surprising on this unit is the charge, full of charge. The charge is good. Coil's gonna get a cleanup, and it's actually gonna cool the box back down. Even though, man, that's the junkiest junker ever, bro. I'm like, who was that boxer in the old days? No Mas.
No mas.
No Mas.